Yearbook and photojournalisms are classes offered at Reedy that provide real-world experience in photography, graphic design, and marketing. Photojournalism is a prerequisite to Yearbook. Students are provided with top-of-the-line camera equipment and learn the basics of photography and journalism. In the spring, they are given the opportunity to apply for Yearbook. In Yearbook, staff members cover all school events to capture the full story. The staff truly becomes a family through camps, work nights, and class time. The Yearbook staff is able to showcase their hard work by creating a book for their school. If you're interested in these classes, join photojournalism or journalism, and you might even make the Yearbook staff.